And the project for today is to repair this door. I can take care of that right there pretty good. Yeah, this, I'm gonna replace all this. They just busted the hell out of it. Yeah. So I'll come up here, cut across, cut down, cut it down here, straight across here, and replace about 3 foot of it, maybe 4 foot of it. Glue that back on right there. Glue all that back together. All right. I love it. This house stays cool. Really cool. There it is. Get my ashtray. I got a horse farm. I'm trying to get it ready. Y'all enjoy. Peace. I actually need to replace all that, but what I'm gonna do is just glue that back together, and then I'm gonna get slide bolts. Go straight down, bolt to the door here. I don't know, it's a metal damn door. Might not work. Yeah, it will. And get one for the top. Bolted on the top and the bottom. All right, y'all enjoy. Peace.